Hi.
I'm Sophia.
Introducing my daughter Sophia the legend.
I'm Sophia the sneeze girl.
And I'm her mum.
And we're gonna today.
And this is what you've all been waiting for.
Yeah.
From the land down under.
Yeah, mate.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Oi, oi,
Oi, oi.
Today we're gonna be sniffing
Sniffing pepper.
black pepper.
Oh, it's backwards. Maybe we should turn it around.
Oh,
Oh,
no,
it's,
that one's upside down.
oh, it's upside down and backwards now. Oh. All right, so we've got the tissue box.
We're gonna need the whole box.
Roll up the sleeves.
She's
I've got a
going
scarf on
first.
because it's winter here.
I'm not going first.
Bloody freezing, love.
Shut up. She's going first.
She loves
now,
me.
okay?
I have to go
We've got to
first, she
set it
said.
up. We need a credit card to line it up.
Because I don't get allergy, but Sophia gets allergy. But,
doing
so we've got to
lines.
cheat because of me. Otherwise, we wouldn't be.
Okay, we're doing one.
Don't say that.
We're doing
It's bad. Just put the pepper on and I'll just sniff it. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I don't want to.
What are we doing?
Sniffing pepper?
Shit.
Who does this shit?
That's too much.
Oh.
Are you insane?
Well, we can share it.
She's
All right.
nuts.
Here we go.
Wait,
We've got the pepper.
you gotta line it up.
Sergeant Pepper.
Oh.
All right.
What are we doing?
Come on, let's just hurry up.
What? Are we
All right.
actually doing
I'm
this?
scared. How do I do it? Do I sniff it off my finger?
I don't know.
I'm scared. Oh.
I
right,
won't
here we
do
go.
my nose ring sign.
One.
That's dangerous.
2.
I'm doing it after her.
Which nostril?
Just block one. You did it again?
Oh, boo, boo, boo.
Should I do it now?
It's up both nostrils.
Okay, first
Oh.
one to sneeze.
Oh, the first one to sneeze. I think I ate it as well.
Oh!
Oh. Oh.
It burns!
It burns.
Fuck! It burns! It's in my brain.
It's all right. Did you sniff too hard? I'm going to sneeze.
I sniffed.
My sneeze is
It's in my
coming.
stopper.
Oh. Oh. I'm going to sneeze the freaking phone off the table.
Yeah, he sneezed.
Oh. Be patient. I'm crying, but I'm not sneezing. She won.
Look,
And I'm not doing any more. No way.
I'm so good.
It's just burning the...
So awesome.
I'm just crying.
That sneeze was a half sneeze.
I've got freaking pepper in my brain. Oh, that got on me. It's gross, man.
That looks like a penis.
It's not a penis. Don't say that.
It's a penis.
It's not. Stop saying that's rude. When is it going to happen to me? I think I weed my pants a bit. Oh, I sneezed. It's happening. We can't blow our noses because we'll stop sneezing because the pepper will come out. Oh my God, don't try this at home.
Don't try. It burns your brain.
And I've got a gig tomorrow night. I've got to sing.
Yeah.
Should I do more?
Am I allowed to blow my nose?
Not yet because it'll come out. How come I only had one?
I got swollen dripping down.
Stay in the picture
Am
now.
I allowed to blow my nose? There's still pepper coming out my nose.
Should I do it again?
Yep. Sniff more. Sniff more.
Okay. Are these eucalyptus scented?
What?
These are eucalyptus scented.
Yeah.
Oh,
Helps clear the nose.
oh, it's not working on me.
Sniff more, mate.
Pepper doesn't work.
Oh, it does to me.
Burns the crap out of your nose, though.
Yeah.
What else makes you sneeze? You're dribbling, Bubba. Don't sneeze on me! You nuts! God!
Oh my God.
Come on, let's almost. Ah, you know what makes me sneeze?
Definitely.
Not pepper. Soap.
So, what are you gonna do? Eat it?
No, I'm not gonna eat it. I'll sniff the soap. The soap will work on me. I'll be back. Hang in there.
Oh.
She dropped the light. How did you do that? Oh my
Oh
God.
my God, there's actual pepper. I don't know if I should show the camera.
Okay. Well, I think I've got. No, don't. Show. No, I'm just. I told you I'd blow the phone off the table. Mothers never lie.
Oh my god.
Sophia, how do I make this stay?
Oh, that was a peppercorn grain.
But that's going to push
I
that.
put it on the lever.
No, don't touch it. I've got it. I've got it.
Okay,
Got it.
sniff more.
No, I'm going to get soap. Just
No,
wait a minute.
sniff more of that. It
No,
works.
it burns too much.
I know, it freaking burns. Oh my god.
I hope this doesn't ruin my singing.
I paused it.
Why?
Did I?
Okay. I've got the soap. Don't scream so loud. Don't swear. No. Oh, smells nice. What is that on the table? Don't swear, Sophia. Just. Oh no! It's on my phone. Oh, everywhere.
I'm gonna die.
You can't spit when you sneeze. Oh. I'm not a very good sneezer. Oh, she is a legendary sneezer, isn't she? Oh. God! Code red! Oh, she sneezed the other phone off the table again. God!
Oh my god.
This is crazy. How do I make it stay? Oh. Oh, Sophia, why do you have to spit as well?
I sniffed it.
Yeah, but it's going everywhere. You're sneezing. We're running out of tissues. Oh, God. Blow. Oh, poor Bubby. Oh, poor Bubby. Oh, Bubby.
Get off me.
Oh, sorry. Where's my soap gone? How did it get down there? I'm just not a sneezer. Some people just aren't sneezers. Other people are. Anyway, we're gonna go. Oh, got in my hair. Blow. Oh. Blow. Blow. And now I'm gonna.
Get out of my nose, you bitch.
Oh God. Oh. All right. Are we going now?
Yeah,
We'll miss you.
that's the wrap.
So, you got to meet Sophia's mum. I took on the challenge, but
We did the freaking challenge. Like and subscribe to this channel because we need that. We'll post more videos. Like and comment what videos you want to be posted. We will do anything because we just freaking sniff pepper.
not anything, not me.
I will do
I'm
anything.
52 now. So anyway, over and out. See you soon. We love you.